Inferno?
Well, at present, what we know is that the forensic experts have been called in to find out exactly what is the reason behind the bus going up in flames, and they also are looking at the possibilities of whether flammable materials were there on the bus that would have triggered this fire. That is, the police have not ruled out that possibility, and they are at present intensely looking at that possibility also. But at present, what in the rescue operations, the priority remains that they want to ensure that the bodies could be taken out from the charred bus. So they're giving priority to that. Once they've been able to get the final death toll, and especially be able to give the relatives the news, they will be looking into this aspect as to how this fire has occurred and what would be the reason why this fire occurred, Harish.
Well, any information coming in from the SPR office here in Majestic? Have they put out the passenger list which could help the police to find out how many people are missing or if there are any more bodies inside the bus?
Harish, at present, the SPR people are cooperating, and they've given the list as such. But the owner at present is not to be seen. But what we know at present is they've exchanged the list with the police, and the police are also trying to tally with the survivors and those who are missing to find out what exactly would be the death toll. And so they've given the list and the addresses of the people who are there. So the SPR office, again, we must know that this is an attachment bus. They in fact have this agency to in fact vouch for them. They do not have an independent office, so they take the agency's name, and after taking the agency's name, they are in fact they market themselves through that agency. So this is the situation at present. So the SPR Travels does not have a complete ownership of the bus, but they are the ones who are actually marketing it. So we are looking at a situation where we'll have to go through a lot of company profiles to actually find out who the exact owner is of this bus, Harish.
Well, Verghese, any word in yet on the kind of injuries or the injured? How many are critical out of these 15 injured? And is there a serious chance of this death toll increasing?
Well, there are 12 people have been injured seriously with regards to this, while others have escaped with those who were able to break the windshield and the window panes have escaped with cuts and bruises on their body. But those people, some of them have in fact suffered serious burns, and they've been admitted to Davangere and Taluk Hospital. And the people, there is treatment is being given to them, but doctors say that only anything can be said only after in the next 24 hours, Harish.
Well, I'll place you on hold, Verghese. For viewers who are joining in just now, 6 people have been injured. Bigger pardon, 6 people have been killed in this horrific bus accident that took place in Metukurki in Hiriyur Taluk of Chitradurga district. In total, 15 people have been injured. The accident, by eyewitness account, happened around 1:30 in the morning, and the bus that was heading from Davangere to Bengaluru caught fire, and the bus moved for a good 200 to 300 meters. This is what the local administration is now suspecting, after which the bus toppled. Firoz, the driver of the bus, escaped from the spot. 6 people were charred to death. 15 people in total have been injured. 5 of them are said to be in a critical condition. 3 have been shifted to Davangere, 2 people have been shifted to Chitradurga District Hospital. Many of these people are said to be from Davangere, who are heading to Bangalore for various work. Santosh, the owner of the bus, claims that there was nothing wrong with the bus, and the driver Firoz had an experience of 10 years. And he has already spoken to the bus. In the meanwhile, the SPR Travels, which has its office in Majestic, is trying to put across a passenger list that will not just help the police but also several people who are worried about their loved and dear ones.
ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಬಸ್, ಡೈಲಿ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಗೆ. ಜನಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಗಾಬರಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಗೆ ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನಾನು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಈಗ. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಚಾಲಕ ಬಂದು ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಫೈರೋಜ್ ಅಂತ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅವ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ರೀತಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂತ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಗೆರವಲೆ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಸಿದಾನ, ಅವನು ಚಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದು 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮವರೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಫೀಸಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 11ರಿಂದ 12 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇನ್ನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಚಾಲಕ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ನಾವು 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅವ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಅದು ಏನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ. ಅದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಥವ್ರು. ಅದ್ರ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ.
Well, there is a preliminary list of passengers or few names of passengers who have been shifted to various hospitals. That is Mohammad Gaus, Sayyad, Rajkumar, Mohammad B, Ashwini, Prashant, Uday Prashant, Sri Priya, Sanjay, Mushtaq, Mohammad Fayaz. These are 11 people who have been shifted. Names of 11 people who have been shifted. In total 15 have been shifted to various hospitals, and these are the names of 11 people that is available at this moment.
SPR ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 18-20 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ 4 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಗಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆಗೆ ಸ್ಲೀಪರ್ ಗಾಡಿನ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದು ಗಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ವರಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಗಾಡಿನ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒನ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ನೈಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆ ಗಾಡಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಈಗ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಮನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅವರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದ ಗಾಡಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ನಮಗೂ SPR ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Well, that was one of the employees of SPR Travels who was talking about how this was an attachment vehicle that was being used for this particular route. The bus belongs to SPR Travels and was heading from Davangere to Bengaluru with 29 people on board. The driver has been identified as Firoz, who's absconding at this point in time. The owner, Santosh, spoke to us earlier. He said that the driver is an experienced man. He's someone who's been in this profession for 10 years and worked for the company. In the meanwhile, officials, the staff of SPR Travels too have rushed to the spot. The fire is said to have been noticed around 1:30 this morning. Eyewitness accounts claim that the fire was noticed the front end of the bus near the driver's seat, and the owner suspect that perhaps it could be a technical short circuit that could have caused this fire.
Ladies,
Total 15 people have been shifted to hospital, out of which the names of 11 people have now been given out. Mohammad Gaus, Sayyad, Rajkumar, Mohammad B, Ashwini, Prashant, Uday Prashant, Sri Priya, Sanjay, Mushtaq and Mohammad Fayaz. Some of the people who have been injured and shifted to various hospitals. In total, 15 people have been injured. 5 are said to be in a critical condition.
Ladies है ना?
The accident occurred at a place called Metkurki in Hirur Taluk of Chitradurga district, and the fire was spotted in the bus around 1:30. The owner of the bus claims that the passengers panicked, the driver too panicked, and perhaps that might be the reason why the bus fell into the ditch.